Welcome back. My name is Kaushik and you are watching Kaushik's Everyday English. Friends, you must have heard about WH words or the question words. Yes, these are the words which are used to frame questions like what, kya, when, kab. It's related to time. When you are asking something about time like when will he come, when will the train arrive, we use this particular WH word. Next, where, kaha. It's related to place. Like where do you live? Where is he going? Which, konsa. It's related to choice. Which dress do you want to buy? Or which dress is costly? Like that. Next is who, kon. When you are asking who is he, who is that? When you are asking about a person, right? Want to know about the person, you use this WH word. Or how, kaise. It's related to doing the things like how did you manage it or how did you get hurt. So these are all the WH words. But when we add ever to these words, the meaning completely changes. Like whatever, the meaning changes. It means kuch bhi, whenever, kabhi bhi, wherever, kahin bhi, whichever, kaun sa bhi, whoever, koi bhi, however, kaise bhi. Or it has got another meaning, koi farak nahi padta. So you have seen how the meaning changes when we add ever to these words. But we have to learn how to apply these words in different sentences, and today we are going to learn that so that you can use them in your daily conversation to make your English sound as advanced as that of the advanced English speakers. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first word in today's list is whatever. Now whatever means kuch bhi or anything. So now we will see how we can apply this particular WH word whatever in a sentence. Look at the first sentence. Whatever you do, you should be cautious while crossing the road. That means you can do anything, but you should pay proper attention to the road when you are crossing the road. Otherwise, you will meet with an accident. So in this way, we can use whatever. Look at the next sentence. Whatever you buy from the store, you won't get any discount. That means it's a fixed rate, fixed price rather store where everything is at fixed price and there is no discount. So whatever thing you buy, you have to buy at fixed price. Or my boss said, do whatever you want, but submit the project today. That you can do whatever you feel like, you can do anything, but I want the project to be submitted on time, and that is today only. So in this way, you can use the word whatever. Let's move on to the next word in today's list, whenever. Now, whenever means anytime or kabhi bhi. Now, we will see how we can apply this particular word in a sentence. Look at the first sentence. Whenever I call him, his phone is busy. It happens many a times that you are calling someone, but every time you find that his phone is busy, you're not being able to contact him. So you can use this particular word like this. Or look at the next sentence. Whenever I go to Darjeeling, I feel peace at mind. Now Darjeeling is a beautiful hill station, and whoever has gone there, they must know how peaceful the place is, how beautiful the place is. So you can use the word whenever, that anytime I go to Darjeeling, I feel the peace of mind. Look at the next sentence. You can come to me whenever you feel like. That you can come to me anytime. Whenever you feel, you can come to me. There is no hesitation, there is no foundation. So you can come to me, you can come to my place anytime you feel like. So in this way, you can use the word whenever. The next word in today's list is wherever. Now, wherever means anywhere, कहीं भी, or everywhere, सभी भी. So in both the ways we can use the word wherever. So now look at the sentences. The first sentence, wherever I go, my pet dog follows me. So my pet dog is so fond of me that he won't leave me, and wherever I go, he just follows me. Look at the next sentence. English will help you wherever you go. And that's why it's very important to learn English, right? So anywhere you go in the world, English is an international language, and definitely it will help you to communicate. Look at the next sentence. He impressed everyone wherever he went. That he went to many places, and wherever he had gone, he had impressed people over there. So in this way, you can use the word wherever. Let's move on to the next word in today's list. Whoever. Whoever means koi bhi. So let's look at the sentences. Then we will understand how to use this particular word in a sentence. The first sentence, whoever has a doubt can ask me. Now the teacher is telling the class that if anyone is there who has got a doubt, can definitely come and ask me and clear out all the doubts. So in this way, you can use whoever. Or you can say, the dinner is ready, whoever is hungry can start. That the dinner is ready. So if there is anyone who is feeling very hungry, he or she can start eating. Or you can say, whoever just spoke has good English vocabulary. So you don't know the person who has spoken just now, but you are saying that whoever just spoke has a good English vocabulary. So in this way, you can use the word whoever. Let's look at the next word in today's list, whichever. Whichever means kaun sa bhi. And now we will see how to apply this particular WH word in a sentence. Look at the first sentence. You must make the right choice before whichever road of life you follow. Now this is a little bit philosophical, but it means that we have many roads of life, and we can't take the decision which road to take, which track to follow. So whichever road we must follow, before that we must take the right decision, we must make the right choice. So in this way, you can use the word whichever. Or you can say, whichever hotel you choose, it must be economical. That you can choose any hotel, but that hotel must be economical. It should be a little bit less expensive, like that way. So in this way, you can use the word whichever. Let's move on to the next word in today's list, however. However means anyway, कैसे भी करके, or it doesn't matter, कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So in this way, you can use the word however. Now let's look at the sentence. The first sentence, you can make the project however you like, but it must be submitted on time. That you can make your project, you have got the full liberty to make the project according to your choice, but you must be very careful about it, that it should be submitted on time. So in this way, you can use the word however. Or you can say, however rich they may be, they cannot buy peace of mind. That it doesn't matter that they're rich, but with their money, they can't buy peace of mind. So in this way, you can use the word however. So friends, this is for today. and I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and you will start using these words in your daily English conversation so as to make your English sound as advanced as that of native English speakers. Before I leave, I would once again like to remind you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with another interesting lesson for you. Till then, stay safe, love your family, love your parents and love yourself. Bye.